The Shani Lurfa Archaeology Museum is a great place to experience the history of the biblical land. Located close to the sacred pool, following its rebuild in 2015, it became one of the largest museums in Turkey. The archaeology section offers a walk through the different eras that are found in 4 exhibition halls across 2 floors. The eras include the Assyrian, Babylonian, Hittite, Neolithic, Chalcolithic, and Bronze Age. Throughout, visitors will find clothes, handworks, doors with fine details, and even tools and jewelry made of Bronze and Silver Age. One of the key artifacts is the 9,500-year-old sculpture, which is the large life-size human sculpture. Today I am taking you to this wonderful museum in Şanlıurfa and we'll be showing the artifacts found here. You will see the sharp tools made of flint rock, drillers, stone icons, terracotta geometric patterns, ceramics, stamps, burial pitters, necklace made of fans, ceramic fragments with stamp seals, cylinder seals, pieces of containers with figurines, metallic tools, and idols. So let's go on the tour of this museum. And while you are here, do not forget to visit the Mosaic Museum, which is the part of the same museum but in a different building, which we didn't know at that time, so we did actually miss the Mosaic Museum. But it is a very beautiful museum where you'll find some more the oldest mosaic pictures done. this was the video of Shani Urfa Museum, which I forgot to tell you, the ticket was 50 Turkish lira each. And yeah, and there is a shopping mall in front of this called Piazza Shopping Mall. बिल्कुल इसके सामने है. Now after you get tired and everything, go and have some refreshments there, have a dinner or lunch or a drink. So that's where we'll be going now. That's all from the museum, guys. That should be all my vlogs done for Shani and Urfa. Or inshallah tomorrow we will be leaving from Shani and Urfa to Diyar Bakir and Mardi. And inshallah I will see you tomorrow. Allah Hafiz. Thank you very much for watching, and do not forget to subscribe for more from Southeast Turkey and Uzbekistan.